Welcome to my in-depth review of Taboola, one of the most well-known native advertising platforms out there. Today I'll walk you through my personal experience using Taboola both as an advertiser and as a publisher. Right from the beginning, the sign-up process is straightforward, but expect a waiting period if you're registering as a publisher. They manually review your site, and if you don't meet their quality criteria, your application might get rejected. Once inside the dashboard, the interface is relatively clean, but not the most intuitive. It takes a bit of time to get used to the layout, especially for campaign creation. The reporting section is one of the stronger aspects. You get detailed data on impressions, clicks, CTR, and even viewable impressions. But segmentation is a bit clunky compared to competitors like Outbrain or Red Content. Setting up a campaign is simple in theory. You choose your objective, set your daily budget, CPC, targeting preferences including device, location, and interest categories. However, campaign moderation is strict, and ads can get rejected without clear explanations. If you're running anything close to affiliate offers or aggressive landing pages, prepare for rejections. On the publisher side, Taboola offers a monetization method through native widget placements. The CPMs are acceptable if you have US traffic, but drop dramatically for Tier 2 and 3 countries. Customization options for widgets are minimal unless you're a large publisher with a dedicated account manager. Support can be hit or miss. For advertisers, there is a live chat option, but the responses are often generic unless you're spending large amounts. Publishers usually get email support, which is slower. One positive aspect is the automatic optimization feature that adjusts bid prices based on performance, but it doesn't always perform well on smaller budgets. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another important point, the approval process for creatives can take a while, sometimes more than 24 hours, which is a drawback when trying to launch time-sensitive campaigns. Also, while the CPCs may seem low, the traffic quality varies. Expect a good portion of low engagement clicks unless you filter aggressively by publisher and category. Fraud detection seems basic compared to platforms like Google Ads. In terms of integration, you can plug in your tracking pixels and use third-party analytics easily, but don't expect deep integrations unless you're on their premium plans. Taboola does allow for campaign scaling, but it requires ongoing manual optimization. Automation tools are limited unless you're on an enterprise-level account. Overall, Taboola has its strengths. It's one of the few platforms that can deliver large volumes of native traffic at scale, especially for content-heavy sites. But the trade-offs are real. Questionable click quality, limited support for smaller users, and rigid moderation policies. If you're a content marketer, publisher with high-tier traffic, or advertiser looking for reach rather than precision, Taboola might be worth testing. Just go in with realistic expectations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future updates and reviews.